So this is really close, but this is my teeth. Make sure nothing's in there. Send me these cookies. Let me, ooh, powdery. The color of my current teeth, like I have new teeth coming up. Okay. How much do we use? Now they want me to use the toothpaste, which is in spearmint flavor. So it says to wet the toothpaste, so I ran it under water. Toothpaste. Ultimate package. So they say to, in this video, oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. Today I have an exciting video. I have another PR package that was sent to me by Coco. They are based and located in Australia. I'm so excited because you guys probably have seen this all over social media, especially Instagram, advertising their 100% vegan and cruelty-free coconut shell activated charcoal for teeth whitening. That was such a mouthful and I can't believe I did it in one take. If you guys are enjoying this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you guys haven't already, subscribe to my channel and you don't want to miss anything, so hit that notification bell so you guys can be updated for my upcoming videos. I am truly thankful and blessed beyond joy, like seriously, that they came across my channel and they're able to send me their goodies. What they sent me was the Ultimate Carbon Kit. So it comes with their 100% organic coconut shell activated charcoal, a bamboo bristled toothbrush, and also a charcoal activated spearmint flavor toothpaste. In this video, I'm gonna do a whole demo of before and after. And of course, I did a lipstick test because I know there's certain lipsticks that you wear that can enhance the pearly whites that you may or may not have, or it can actually bring out my coffee stained teeth. So if you guys are interested on how I use this, learn a little bit about this product, then please keep on watching. So I just got out of the shower. As you can clearly see, my hair is all wet. I didn't even want to dry it because I was so excited to finally open my PR package. As you guys see from the title, Coco from Australia sent me a PR package on their charcoal teeth whitening. Oh my gosh, I am so obsessed. You guys may have seen this all over social media and of course Instagram, and that's where they found me. And I'm so blessed for them to have sent me a package. So let's just get right into this package. So I already cut it open. I didn't open it because I want to open it with you guys. So what they have sent me is literally a package. And of course you have the teeth whitening, which is the charcoal. They have a toothbrush and it looks like they do have a toothpaste. They do have just a little instructions, which is just a little flyer here. And let's just open this. All right, so again, you have the toothbrush. Looks like you have the toothpaste. And you have the Coco, which is the teeth whitening. So it has a little flyer here that tells you what's in here, how to use it, and a little bit about this company. I don't know how you guys feel, but I am so excited to try this because I drink coffee every day. Is my teeth yellow? Yike. I brush twice a day. I don't really use the strips because they really hurt and my teeth are so sensitive. So if I do the teeth whitening, which I did 4 years ago because I was getting married, I wanted really pearly white teeth. It actually hurt my teeth because I know it does take a layer of the enamel of the tooth. And I do notice that when I did use it, when I ate hot or cold drinks or foods, it just was so sensitive. I'll be like, oh, that was so hot, or oh, that was so cold, and it just was sensitive. So I am so happy that Coco came out with this charcoal, which is a 100% natural product that can really whiten the teeth without damaging it. Before I get into the demo and explain a little bit about each product, of course, I'm gonna read a little bit about their company. Coco is 100% natural for real. Our finely milled powder is totally natural and safe. The medical grade activated charcoal is made from certified organic coconut shell to remove toxins, fight stains, and protect your teeth. The bentonite clay remineralizes teeth, and the surprise hint of lemon myrtle in the mix adds gentle, non-acidic antibacterial properties. So the best way to use this is best before bed. Brush in small, gentle circles. No need to brush hard, just give it a few minutes of effort. Rinse and brush again with our signature spearmint toothpaste every night until desired brightness is achieved. Basically, this is an activated charcoal to secretly brightening teeth. This is made and owned in Australia. However, you can buy everything on their website and they also have many more products. As always, I'll link that down below for you guys. So what I was sent is the Ultimate Carbon Kit. This is listed for $89.95. However, there's a sale right now for $44.95. So this is the ultimate kit for ultimate freshness. Whiten your smile and maintain your results with our activated charcoal polish and toothpaste combo. Our 100% activated charcoal powder effectively whitens teeth by absorbing stain causing debris and bacteria. It removes stains without toxic chemicals, promoting good oral and health preventing bad breath. That is a plus for everybody. Follow up with our activated charcoal toothpaste for added whitening and protection against future stains. Our fluoride-free spearmint formula fights bad breath causing bacteria, replacing your everyday toothpaste. Oh yes, and did we mention that our toothbrushes are bamboo? Made with uniquely soft charcoal-infused bamboo bristles, this toothbrush is a perfect match for our polish and toothpaste. Once again, the 3 active ingredients are 100% organic coconut shell active charcoal, bentonite powder, and lemon myrtle. So how you want to use this? You want to dip the toothpaste into the jar, removing the excess product, using gentle circular motions for at least 3 minutes all over your teeth. You want to spit and then rinse out, of course. Then you want to use the toothpaste to clean your teeth, and as it says, best results will be at nighttime. This is a medical grade activated charcoal. This is 100% enamel safe, free shipping worldwide. You love it or you leave it, and this is not tested on animals. So this is actually a vegan and cruelty-free line, which I am so happy about. Before we get started, I'm going to show you a little bit of my teeth. I know, this is really weird. But I just want to show you what color it is now, and we'll see how the results turn out. Really close, but here is my teeth. It's not the whitest, but it is a little colored. So let's hope that this carbon cocoa can do justice. So this is the first product we're gonna use. It's powdery, so I have to be careful. It basically just says carbon cocoa. It has the website. It's really cute and plain. Kind of looks like a little shoe polish case, but of course there's better goodies in here. So I'm gonna open this. So it's literally powder. I don't really smell anything here. That's a good plus. So this is how the toothbrush looks like. And as it says, it's bamboo. It's pretty stiff. I mean, that should be a good thing because you really want to get the charcoal in there. It says to wet the toothbrush, and I just ran it under the water for a few seconds, and to dip, and of course to remove the excess. Now, as clumsy as I am, I'm going to close this because there's powder everywhere already. Now it wants us to brush our teeth for 3 minutes, so I'm gonna put my phone on a timer and go. So I still may have a little bit of the charcoal stuff left, which is totally fine. I'm gonna use the toothpaste as it recommends, and this is in spearmint flavor, and I knew it was gonna be black. And they want us to brush again for another 3 minutes. Ooh, it smells so good. I'm unsure if this is too much toothpaste, but I'm still gonna use it. So once again, 3 minutes starts now. You guys, I had so much fun brushing my teeth. I love toothpastes that gets really frothy and bubbly. And as you saw, I was brushing my teeth. It was kind of like falling down, but it was a perfect amount for 3 minutes, and I ran to the sink. But my teeth looks a lot whiter. Let me take a look. It's not super white yet, obviously after one try, but it definitely did make it a little bit brighter. I can definitely see that using this for the 7 to 14 days as they suggest will really have a better result. So I think I am going to continue using this. This powder here is pretty cool. Again, there's no scent to it. It was kind of weird at first brushing my teeth because it was like powdery and weird. Again, it didn't have any scent to it, so it didn't bother me, but I felt like it wasn't like frothing up like the toothpaste would, which kind of makes sense because it's an activated charcoal powder that actually helps clean the toxin and all the dirt on the outer surface layer of the tooth. It's definitely safe. It does not hurt. It didn't feel like anything on my teeth. Brush is actually amazing. Now this is my toothbrush, so I can touch it, but right now it's dried, so it dries pretty fast. It is a little bit more stiff because it actually works well with the powder and the toothpaste, but once it's actually wet, it actually is so soft and it doesn't hurt my teeth. Toothpaste was amazing because it smells so good. It's kind of cool because it's actually black, so it is a charcoal base, but it does have a spearmint taste to it, which is excellent. Again, it didn't tingle, it didn't hurt, so it actually was very gentle on me. So before I end this video, I'm going to do a little test by applying on some lipstick, because I know a lot of times if you wear certain colors and it just makes your teeth look more yellow, and you know, usually if your teeth is pretty pearly white, it actually makes your lipstick and your teeth stand out. So I'm gonna try 2 colors. I'm gonna do one that's more brown. I wanna see if it's gonna be more noticeable or if it actually makes it more brighter, and I'm gonna do a traditional bright red. My lip's a little dry right now, but I think this would be a good test on the color of my teeth. Not bad. Let's try a red color. All right, I overlined my lips a slight bit. Doesn't look too bad. Clearly, I can't smile, that shows all my teeth. All right, guys, this is my final look with this lipstick, and it actually does make my teeth look brighter. I am so excited to keep on using this just because I really want to see the end results. I want to see how much whiter it gets, because who doesn't want a good teeth whitening product that doesn't hurt your teeth? Totally on this train. And as suggested, it's going to be at nighttime for best results. I can see why they say use this at night, just because you wash your face and you brush up and you go to bed, you're not going to be eating to stain the teeth, and you'll wake up with fresh, clean, non-stinky breath. Once again, this is a vegan and cruelty-free line. They come from Australia. Not only do they have this brush kit that I use, they also have like oils. They sell things a la carte. They have toothbrushes and toothpastes. Also gentle for everybody, no age, no gender, everyone. So as always, I'll put everything down in the info box for you guys. Alright guys, I really hoped you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you guys did. Once again, thank you so much Carbon Coco for sending me this package. I am so blessed and thankful for you guys sending this to me. I would definitely recommend these to people, and I may give some of these away for Christmas presents. I hope they're not offended. But it's a really cool product. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!